Planning a trip to Austria soon for a holiday, to visit family or friends, or maybe attend an event like a wedding or a conference. Let me walk you through how to apply for an Austria Visitor Visa from Nigeria, step by step. If you follow this properly, it'll save you time and help you avoid common mistakes that cause delays or refusals. I'm Tina from Law and Visas. We help Nigerians apply for visas confidently and correctly, whether it's for tourism, study, or business travel. Now, here's how to go about it. First, the Austrian Visitor Visa is part of the Schengen Visa system. So when you apply, you're technically applying for a short stay Schengen Visa, type C. This allows you to stay up to 90 days within 180 days. Since Austria is your main destination, that's where you should apply. Book a visa appointment. You need to book through VFS Global. That's the official visa application center for Austria in Nigeria. Go to the VFS Austria page, create a profile, and choose a convenient appointment date. Fill out the Schengen Visa application form. This form must be filled out online or downloaded, filled out, printed, and signed. Be sure your answers are accurate, especially details like your travel dates, accommodation, and the purpose of your trip. Gather all required documents. This part is crucial. Here's what you must have: your valid Nigerian passport with at least two blank pages and valid for at least 3 months after your return date. Two recent passport-sized photos, white background, and Schengen spec. Travel itinerary, a flight reservation showing your entry and return dates. Proof of accommodation, hotel bookings, or an invitation letter if staying with someone in Austria. Travel medical insurance that covers at least 30,000 euros, valid throughout the Schengen area. Proof of financial means: this could be 3 to 6 months of personal bank statements showing enough money to cover your trip. If someone else is sponsoring you, include their documents too. Employment documents. For employed people, include a letter from your employer confirming your position, salary, and approved leave. If you run a business, California C documents and business bank statements. Ties to Nigeria. This can include property documents, family records, or anything showing you return after your visits. Go for your appointment. Arrive early on your appointment day with all your documents arranged properly. You'll also be asked to submit your fingerprints and photograph for biometrics. The VFS staff will check your documents, and once submitted, they'll forward everything to the Austrian embassy. Pay the visa fee. You pay a visa fee, usually around 80 euros in Naira equivalent. VFS may also charge a service fee. It's best to come prepared with your payment method ready. Wait for the decision. Processing time is usually 15 calendar days, but it can take longer. You can track your application status on the VFS portal. They'll notify you once your passport is ready for pickup. Now, a few helpful tips that can improve your chances. Avoid buying a flight ticket too early. A reservation is enough. Don't lie or provide fake documents. Austria takes document fraud very seriously, and it could get you banned from Schengen countries. Be consistent. Details on your forms, invitation letters, and bank statements should match. If you've been refused a visa before, mention it honestly and explain how your situation has improved. Common questions Nigerians ask: can I apply without a travel history? Yes, but a strong application becomes even more important. Show solid proof of income, return ties, and a clear reason for your visit. Can I visit other Schengen countries with an Austrian visa? Yes, as long as Austria is your main destination. Once granted, your visa allows you to visit other countries in the Schengen area as well. Do I need an invitation letter? Only if you're staying with someone. Otherwise, hotel reservations are fine. So that's it. The Austria Visitor Visa process is straightforward when you're organized and truthful. Just follow the steps, present your documents clearly, and show the embassy that you have every reason to return to Nigeria after your visit. If you need help putting your documents together, checking your application, or preparing for your appointment, reach out to us. At Law and Visas, we assist Nigerians every day to get their visa applications right the first time. Need help? Send us a message or WhatsApp us directly. The number is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best in your application for an Austrian visitor visa.